be tripping. Off the lick, watch how I spin it, then I gotta flip it. I can't double back, you just a lick, so I admit it.
So we about to dye my hair, y'all. And Red is about to do it. Okay, these the colors I chose. I wanted to give a little fall color. Oh, what is this? Cajun spice. I'm out of breath. God damn. And cotton candy. Yeah. So as of now, Red is sectioning off my hair. She's getting ready to bleach it with the BW2 and the 30 developer mixed together. So what she's doing now is applying the bleach to my hair in sections. This is a very crucial part because you want to make sure you get all the roots so you can evenly distribute the bleach all down the hair. I'm hollering. Y'all see how easily I just picked up my phone? Baby, I'm a hairstylist myself, and she told me to pick my head up. I grabbed my phone to make transition videos for my TikTok. Baby, put that phone down and pick your head up, okay?
Man, you better tag me in it.
You be on TikTok? Girl, yeah. My TikTok, I'm trying to thumb get paid.
Yeah, you better tag me in it when I'm on ours. Because I'm in it.
All right. Hold on, wait. Don't make me nervous, for real.
Honestly, with that situation, I don't like that. I don't like
Oh, baby, I don't see how people do it. Woo. Look at me. I don't want my noodles here. So that means you don't gotta leave it on for healers, right?
It's orange right now. You want to light it.
Ooh, my neck itching.
So that was my big deal. No, like the outer part, yeah, go around, yeah.
So I go look the other way.
Take and grab your ear from front to back with it. Just
I can't do it with this phone.
Because it's on your ear, it's going to irritate front of your hair. You put it on the front, right where you hold it.
So the lighter you want your hair, the longer you gotta sit. Yes, I was already ready to stop. I was over it. Okay.
Again, I ain't get you. Go red, go red. Hey, what?
Is it done? Oh. So now that we done, sitting up under that dryer, we about to wash it out with my Nexus shampoo and conditioner. I was really feeling myself at this point. I ain't never seen my hair this colored. My eyes red. I've been drinking.
I'm really excited to see Dr. Body. That's my girl. Y'all know how we do this.
This ain't black. Who towel is it? This her booty towel. Oh my god. This her booty towel. Y'all, she cracking up. My hairstyle is gonna be seen real bad, boo.
Oh, no, you want them to see this color real bad, boo.
Don't play with her.
Come on, Bookie Butt.
So finally, the good part. So y'all, she said the cotton candy color was not gonna look right. She tested it on a strand of blonde hair. So she had fiery orange dye left over. Obviously, you see her hair is fire. Baby, she play with colors and she do a very good job doing it. So she just decided to put that color on my hair in the back instead. That's how I wanted it, but back there was gonna be pink originally, but it wasn't gonna look right. So she just applied this, and as you can see, it's taking the color very well. She is using a toothbrush to get my nappy hairs at the back. No, they're not nappy. I'm just saying the little hairs that nobody can see. Clips are necessary when you're doing this process so the hair won't bleed or leak or get out of control. Now she picked up the Adore. This is Cajun Spice, and like I said, I didn't know too much about her dye. She did recommend the Kiss bottles were better, and they all have semi-permanent on them. Again, you just want to evenly distribute the hair dye starting from the roots and work your way down all throughout the whole head. We was having a good old little conversation. We was laughing. We was drinking wine. Y'all, it was just a good experience. I would highly recommend. Read the person that's doing your hair. Pick up on the energy. We know sometimes the clients don't want to talk all the time, but it's great to have a good time. And what you do on the right, you do on the left. And what you do at the top, you do at the back. And what you do everywhere all else around, you do in the middle. Okay? Alright, so if y'all want to check out how I got my ponytail sleek, you can go check out my TikTok. The video is on there. I did just want to show y'all how I wrap my ponytail around. Y'all, I slammed my finger in the door, in my car door, so my thumb kind of hurt. I did just want to say I'm also going to link the products that I used in the description box below. Make sure you check out those on my Amazon storefront. It will take you directly there. This is also ponytail hair. Y'all, it feels so good. I had it in for about a day or two, and I didn't even have to brush it for real. I had put on this spray to hold it. Do y'all see that? Y'all, and it's still not nappy. Okay? I wouldn't lie to y'all. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click links in my bio and go to my storefront. Check it out. I'm going to talk to y'all later. And better recognize when I see you, I really want